Remove the air valve cover. Next, use a 10 mm flat ground socket to remove the fixed guide securing nut. Use the 5 mm Allen key to remove the dropout screws. First, use a 22 mm hex socket to loosen the air guide. Use a 22 mm flat ground socket and 8 mm open-ended spanner to remove the air guide. So that you can take out the dropout kit, use the 2 mm Allen key to remove the lockout knob. And take out the small steel ball and small spring. Use a 24 mm flat ground socket to loosen the cartridge. Use a 1.5 mm Allen key to remove the rebound adjuster knob. You might use the through axle to keep the dropout from rotating, then use a 10 mm flat ground socket to remove the foot nut. Before removing the foot nut, assemble it back 2 to 3 turns. Loosen the press fit of the cartridge by hitting the foot nut with a rubber hammer. Remove the dropout stanchion assembly. Use a lint-free rag to clean the inside of the magnesium upper assembly. Clamping the dropout kit. Remove the air guide, bottom-out spacer and bumper. Deflate the air chamber. Cover the valve to keep oil from spilling. Use a hook wrench or angled circlip pliers to loosen the compression rod unit. Please note that the valve core needs to be pushed so you can take out the compression rod assembly. Use a clean, lint-free rag to clean the inside of the stanchion. After all parts have been cleaned and thoroughly inspected, the fork can be reassembled. Apply genuine RST suspension fork grease to the O-rings and negative spring on the compression rod. Then pour 5 to 10 cubic centimeters air fluid into the stanchion. Assemble the compression rod assembly. Use the hook wrench or angled curling pliers to tighten the end cap with 7 to 9 Newton meters. Install the bumper. Apply grease on the contact surface of the bottom-out bumper and spacer so the parts stay put. Using a shock pump, inflate the air chamber to 60 to 70 psi. Or a preferred setup pressure noted prior to performing the service. Apply grease to the upper and lower bushing. Add lubrication oil to both foam rings. Reassemble the dropout stanchion assemblies. And apply a small amount of LOC-Chit 243 only onto the bigger thread of the compression rod. Install the air guide after the bottom-out bumper and spacer were installed. Tighten the air guide with 6 Newton meters before assembling the counter nut. Tighten the nut with a 10 mm flat ground socket to 4 Newton meters. Use a 22 mm flat ground socket to assemble the air guide into the magnesium casting. Tighten it to 13 Newton meters. Assemble the air cap. Apply a liberal amount of grease to the cartridge rebound rod. Apply LOC-Chit 243 thread locker onto the cartridge fixed guide. Use a 24mm flatground socket to tighten the cartridge with 13 Nm. Next, we can assemble the axle. Use a 10mm flatground socket to tighten the foot nut. Torque 6 Nm. Assemble the rebound knob using a 1.5mm Allen key. Tighten it to 1 Nm. Install the small indexing steel balls and springs. Align the hexagonal axis. And use a 2mm Allen key to assemble the lockout knob. Note, when the front fork is locked out, the tip of the knob must face the 6-8 o'clock direction. Test whether the full adjustment range of compression and rebound is given, and once the fork is unlocked, the fork is performing smoothly.